Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. Today we are coming to you with this amazing video of the Baba Yara Stadium, Kumasi, with a capacity of 40,528. This is the venue that the Black Stars of Ghana will be hosting the Super Eagles of Nigeria for the 2022 Qatar World Cup qualifiers first leg match. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family, and please click on the notification bell, select all, so that whenever we post our videos you can watch them. This match is going to take place on Friday 25th of March 2022. The Cape Coast Stadium was initially built to host this African Classic, which will pick one of Africa's 5 representatives to Qatar. The current state of the Cape Coast facility prompted a change in venue, with the Confederation of African Football (CAF) granting a one-match approval for this stadium, that's the Baba Yara Stadium, to host this Super Clash match. However, there are also some conditions which are supposed to be met by the Ghana Football Association before the match day. These conditions are: 1. Installation of new international standard, modern and comfortable officials benches at pitch level. 2. Adjustment of the floodlight intensity to a minimum of 1,200 lux, which should be provided all over the pitch, covering uniformly every area of the playing field. 3. Increased seating and lockers in the team dressing rooms to reach 25 persons. 4. Installation of completely new modern equipment and materials in the referees' dressing rooms, and ensure that it is equipped with all the necessary materials and CAF requirements. 5. Set up the water system to provide both cold and hot water in the teams and officials' dressing room. 6. General refurbishment of the CAF office, installation of modern desks and seats, including the necessary electronic and working equipment. 7. VOC must be available and equipped with all the necessary equipment and requirements. 8, which is the last condition, is to complete refurbishment of the media tribune, press conference room and media center, installing new and modern equipment. They also stated there will be on-site stadium inspections by the continental body until the day of the match. In an event that the above mentioned conditions are not met before the match, financial sanctions will be imposed on Ghana. Let us all hope the GFA will adhere to these conditions. 4 days after the first leg is played, Nigeria will host the second leg at the MKO Abiola Stadium in Abuja. We are going to show you in an exclusive area view of that stadium also, which we have all. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing family, and please do well to follow us on all our social media handles at SunsetDroneGh, Twitter DroneGh, Facebook. You can search for SunsetDroneGh. Please follow us, like, comment and share our videos for others to watch, and please do well to support this great mission that we are having, so that we can give you exclusive and amazing shots and videos of our environment and our society, events that are going on and projects that are going on, as we have always promised that we are going to give you nothing but the best. Thank you.